All right, hey folks, how are you doing today? We're out here in Glenmore today doing a safe, low pressure roof cleaning. A couple things I want to point out because we see a lot of things that's being done as far as contractors, just so you as the homeowner are a little bit more aware. So we always use ladder stabilizers when we're up on a roof. Actually pretty high right now, probably about 20-ish feet, 25 feet up in the air. But anyway, the ladder stabilizers help to where we're not going to damage your gutters when we come out and work on your home. It's also a safety issue because if we have the ladder stabilizers up there, it allows us to be able to put ladders up in situations where typically if you didn't have a ladder stabilizer, it could actually move around a little bit. So this keeps us safe. Another thing that we do that we definitely do not see a lot of, if you can see, I'm actually tied here with a safety harness. All right, so anytime we come up on a ladder, we're going to be, so you always want to have 3 points of contact. That's actually an OSHA safety requirement. So this allows us to have that third point of contact if I have one hand on the ladder, or if I have to, worst case scenario, take my hands off the ladder, I always have that third point of contact. Not only that, if you were to slip and fall, this only allows me to go a couple of feet, and it's not long enough to need one of those bungee safety things, or if you fall like 3 or 4 feet, it'll kind of catch you so you don't hurt your back real bad. But anyway, so we're out here cleaning a roof, and I just want to show you, I don't know if I can turn this thing around. I'm going to look and see. Okay, I can. So I'm going to turn this thing around and try to zoom it in, but a lot of these roofs, they don't look too dirty from the ground because they're so high up, it's actually hard to see. But with this roof, I'm going to turn it around and then I'll talk, but I'll talk a little louder because it's kind of harder to hear. Okay, so you can see on this roof right here, you can see the moss beginning to grow on this roof, okay? And as I scan the camera around, now that you see it, you'll begin to be able to see it on a lot of these shingles, okay? Now I'll scan it back, and from the looks of it, the roof looks perfectly clean. So you as the homeowner, you may not be able to see this from the ground. A lot of the times we won't be able to see a lot of the plant life that's growing on these things until we actually get up on a ladder and take a look at it. So just know that if your roof is about 10 years old or older and you haven't had it cleaned in that period of time, just know that even though you don't see a lot of the dark streaks and stains on your roof, it could have plant life growing on it. And that plant life is going to be embedded down past the granules of the shingles, feeding on the limestone filler that the shingles are made out of, which is going to make your granules fall off that much quicker, okay? Even if you have a 30-year roof and it's only 10 years old, okay, your roof can be severely prematurely worn out by having this plant life growing on it. That's why insurance companies are getting involved. HOAs are really starting to require roofs to stay a lot cleaner because of the problems people are having with them, on top of resale value. But just know that if the roof doesn't have the streaks and stains on it, you can still have the plant life growing on it, all right? Hopefully everybody's having a great Monday. We're super excited and so thankful that the Glenmore community allows us to be able to come out as a company and take care of these wonderful people that live in this neighborhood. So we want to thank you, and hopefully y'all have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.